How to switch Cash App to business account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your account on Cash App to a business account. Well, switching to a Cash for business account is simple and free. Once you have a personal Cash App account, you can switch to a business account in app. Now it's quite simple to switch to business account, but to switch back to personal account is quite complicated. So make sure you're confirm that you want to switch to business account before you do so. Now to switch to a Cash App to business account, what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon in the top right of your home screen. Now unfortunately I won't be able to show you, but I'll just guide you through. Then once you tap on the profile, what you want to do is you want to tap on personal or edit profile, then tap switch to a business account at the bottom of the page. Once you do so, it'll give you a couple of prompts. What you want to do is you want to follow the prompts to complete the switch. So this way you can easily switch Cash App to business account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.